Today we're going to be talking about the attachment systems for low slope commercial roofs like TPO or EPDM. So you can usually either fully adhere the system where it's completely glued down, or you can mechanically attach it with plates and screws. So instances where fully adhered outperforms mechanically attached is one, wind uplift. You're going to get a better wind uplift rating with a fully attached system than you are mechanically attached. Number two, hail resistance is usually better on a fully adhered system. Finally, energy efficiency. There's not as much wind going through the product, and so therefore you're going to get better energy efficiency. Where mechanically attached usually performs better than fully adhered may not be the performance side, it's actually usually the cost side. It's less expensive. Mechanically attaching the screws and plates are less expensive than the glue. Also, the installation time is less. It takes longer to glue a system down than it does to mechanically attach it. So it kind of depends on what your building needs. Is it an open warehouse where it doesn't really matter of the energy efficiency? You know, maybe it's mechanically attached. If the efficiency of the building is super important, it might be fully adhered. So if you have any questions about what is the difference, what should I choose, a fully adhered or mechanically attached membrane roofing system, please call Rhoden Roofing today.